Hi, I'm Helen. I'm HiPP Organic's nutritionist and dietitian, and I'm here today to just share some of my top tips about introducing lumps into your baby's diet. From around 7 months, your baby will be ready to move on from a smooth textured diet to one containing some small soft lumps. This is a stage that can be very worrying and you can be quite nervous about this, but you're not alone, and we're here to help you. Babies who don't make this transition may have feeding problems later on, so it is an important stage that you need to go through. So the first thing is to make sure that your baby is sitting securely and comfortably in a chair, and sitting upright will really help with the food going down and coping with the lumps in foods. So when it comes to introducing lumps, it's a gradual process, so don't be alarmed if your baby hasn't got any teeth yet. Their gums are hard, and this can really help with managing the lumps. A good way of starting is with a stage 2 food, which has a slightly coarser texture. If you're a bit worried that your baby's not managing at the start, a good thing to do is to take a stage 2 food and you can mash it up a little bit with a fork, or alternatively you could mix up some stage 1 food with some stage 2 food and gradually change the proportions so that they've got used to the new texture more gradually. Your baby may spit up the lumps to start with and may even appear to be gagging, but this is perfectly normal and natural, so don't be alarmed and just stay calm and reassure them. Babies are born with a gag reflex, which stops them from swallowing whole food, and it brings up the food into the mouth for further chewing, and this is perfectly normal for the baby to do this. It might appear at this stage that your baby's spitting out more than they're actually taking in, but with perseverance and time, they will get the hang of it. Perseverance is the key with introducing lumps, but if you are worried, then I would suggest that you have a look at the NHS website, which has some very useful advice and a video on what to do should choking be a concern. Weaning is an exciting time with many fun and messy moments. I'm often asked questions about weaning, about moving through the stages and the changes in textures, but I hope these few tips have really helped you and your little one.